Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2010 Ford Lariat F-150 Super Crew. Somebody said give me all the options. We got the tuxedo black, which has the nice pearl in it, the dark, I guess we'll call it charcoal interior. Got the moonroof, Sony factory navigation, heated and cooled seats, the trailer package, the power pedals, you name it. It's a 3-owner, it was a local trade, clear Carfax, it's been inspected, oil has been changed. We're going to give you a 1-year, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade that pretty reasonably. 5.5 foot box, tow package, tires are decent. Seated Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees. Nice, clean truck.